Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chinese Kiki and I am so humbled to have you here with me because I'm about to blow your mind. Guys, this is a wig. Can you believe you don't have to sit down for 6 hours, 7 hours? So many people on your head trying to get you some cornrows and some braids. Yes, I mean it. But before I talk too much, let me show you what I will be doing. First things first, this hair comes like this, and of course you have to cut off the lace. That is always the first process that you need, no matter which type of wig you have that has a lace. And let me tell you, this hair is not heavy at all. It is not bulky. It is so neat, and it comes inside with some combs. It comes with an adjusted strap, and the quality is just speechless. Because it's new, I am trying it out to see if it really fits me, if I am to cut the lace, how I will begin to do that, because I can never cut the wig when it's in my head. I don't know why. I always have to do this when it's out of my head. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. I am going to cut the lace first, and after this I will just put it on my head and start with the process right away. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world. Now let me show you a close-up of how the lace, the wig cape, everything that's inside this wig, how it looks like. See? Told ya. So this is my little secret. Whenever I have a wig, because I have a very tiny head, a small head to be precise, I always try and adjust these back straps because they make the wig smaller, and that way I feel like it's really secure on my head. The lace is cut, the wig is on my head, and now I am trying to find out where the baby hairs are. These are my two simple products. They got to be gel glue and the mousse from SYOSS, and this is number 4. I was trying to look for number 5, but I didn't get it because it's stronger. So now I will try and see where I can put it. I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. Cut off excess baby hair because you want this to look as natural as possible. And if you have a little bit of a bigger head, so I think this process is going to be different for you. But I actually realized with this wig, which is so amazing, I don't need the glue. The wig sits perfectly on my head. The only thing I need is the mousse to lay the baby hair. Come on, how simple can it get? So after laying off the baby hairs with the mousse, I will try and make them as flat as possible. And after this, I will just wrap something on my head so that they're really tight, the baby hairs, they're not moving anywhere. And in case I will need more of the mousse, I will just use a little bit of the got2be gel because it's stronger than the mousse. Right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking 5 minutes later, I am done. Time to reveal. But before that, let me show you how neat this wig is. Yes, girl. Yes. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. This is so cute. I have always loved this hairstyle. Whenever I go back to Africa, I always put on the same hairstyle, and someone has to literally do it on my head. But now that I am so far away and it's almost impossible to have someone that will do my hair like this effortlessly, and I can always remove this wig when I'm going to sleep. So there you go. So I feel like I need some powder, but it's really not necessary because my wig cape really matches, like it really matches my skin. I will just tap that on the baby hairs to see if it will work out a little bit of magic here and there, but otherwise everything is good at this point.
Tell me why it matters. Tell me what you miss. Is this love that you're showing, or just another misleading play? Is my body electric for reasons to make a mistake? Is this love that I'm feeling?
Royal luxury hair extensions. How many times did I call you? Thank you so much for this. I am so in love. I am sold. I love this. Do you need one? You know where to get it.
And I believe that you've been hiding, 'cause you're so misunderstood.
So my loves, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and also save it. Put it on your playlist. And don't be selfish. Anyway, see you on the next one, and I love you so much, and thank you so much for supporting me in every single way. See you on the next one, and I love you so much.